Hey guys, this is me Karthik from.
And one. Go.
Hey guys, this is me Karthik from Macvaar, and we're here at the IoT 2016 to present our apps to the world. So we work on a number of technologies, and some of the technologies are NFC payment, Bluetooth wearable devices, and face recognition applications. So let me just give you a quick overview of the devices that we are working on. So up here we have something called a 2FA lock. So this is basically providing an authentication layer above your existing Android platform. So I could go ahead and say lock my important application, say banking application for instance. So what's going to happen is we're going to override the opening permissions, and it's not going to allow you to open the app. The app is not going to be opened unless and until it is unlocked from an authorized finger. So this one is not authorized.
Right.
Okay. So if I use an authorized fingerprint, it's going to open the app for you. So we're just adding an extra level of security over the existing ones. And another one we're working on is NFC payment. So NFC payment is you should have been pretty common with Samsung Pay, Apple Pay, and stuff like those. So what we're trying to do is develop a platform-independent way for capturing all these data, and we can actually scan a credit card and beam it across two different phones. Using that. And the last app. All right.
Technical difficulties. It's okay. This is live, right? Live. It's more fun here. We're in the launch pad. This is the startup demo pad. It's pretty crazy. So then, okay, keep telling me about it.
Yes. So.
Here we are. Look.
All right. So I understand this is live. Things are just going really fast.
We kind of focus only on this one and him and me.
Sure.
And try to kind of not,
Sure. So. All right. This seems a causing problem here.
I just find it to be really interesting when it says to read the card. It's pretty
So once it reads the card, I can have a separate device, and I can transfer data from this phone to the other phone by beaming.
Beaming.
Yes.
So what are you transferring?
So I can transfer the card details to the other phone, and we can do a point of sale terminal right there, and it's gonna help make transactions. Say we're at a farmer's market. I'm not gonna be carrying my purse full of cash all around, so I want something that's safe and secure, and no one's gonna be steal it from me. So I could use my app for that and transfer it to the person I want to buy it from, or a garage sale or something like that.
And a point of sale.
Yeah, the best part about it is that there is no hardware that is required. You don't have to carry another device and stick it into your phone.
You don't need a square.
Yeah, exactly. You can purely do it with software.
Yeah.
You can save on enormous amount of square production, save on hardware, save on material costs, things like that. Very low carbon footprint,
Right.
And absolutely seamless. All you got to do is pull out your phone and make a swipe, and you're done.
So, what countries is this available?
The whole world. I mean, we are launched in the app. We are launched in the Google Play Store. We have got about 7 million downloads. A lot of venture capitalists have expressed interest in us, and they have been kind enough to give us an appointment. Okay.
Yes. How many people are using it?
7 million downloads, and we have about 3 million active users on a daily basis.
Yeah, I remember you saying 7 million. It's a really big number.
7 million is really. We are trying to grow inorganically, and we're trying to expand our reaches far and wide. We'll be out in the Apple Store very soon.
And where are you guys kind of active right now?
We are active in the Russian market, the US market, and the European market.
Very interesting.
And the Asia Pacific market as well. So
How has adoption been by retailers? Is it mostly brick and mortar?
yeah, brick and mortar.
And
Yes.
then they have it. They like it.
Yeah, they like it. Brick and mortar loves it. Yeah.
So it's so much more simple.
Basically, any mom and pop business can now get this particular NFC-based payment system into them. There's no need to go for expensive third-party hardware, third-party software. Just an app, download it, and feel free to use. Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, thank you.
Thank you so much.
For coming to grab me.
Thank you so much,
Have some
Tina.
more.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah? Look at this. I said
This
this is FinTech.
This is our brainchild actually. It's a product of intense engineering effort, a lot of technical manpower.
What are you going to do with the face recognition though? I'm curious
Alright,
about
so
this.
face recognition, we are having two phases of deployment. So the first phase of deployment is we're going to train a few set of faces, and we're going to test it, and it's going to pull up a picture in real time. Say you're trained in my database. I could just scan you, and it's going to tell me your name is Tina Hui, right? Alright, so the second phase is pulling up the data from crowdsourced data. So I'm just going to look at your face. I don't know who you are, but I'm going to pull up your information from LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, and I'm going to scan it against my database and find out who you are. So say we're meeting for the first time. I already know who you are, where you work from.
Show the pretty face, please. Okay. Just catch it.
It's happening in real time.
Yeah.
Yes, it's happening in real time too. So,
If you're going to capture it,
All right.
make it train.
Oh,
if you could just,
make it rain.
Make it get it trained. Yeah.
Okay.
all right. So if you could,
What do I do? Say it this way?
okay. All right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and train your name here. Okay.
Okay, there we go.
Yes. So this is a lovely Tina here, and I'm gonna capture her face, and I'm gonna save it as Tina.
Oh, gosh.
Okay, Tin. All right. And I'm gonna go ahead and save this. All right. So let me just close all the applications. So I'm gonna open it up again, and I'm gonna test, and let's see if this finds.
This is so meta.
See, Tin. So it's gonna find it in real time. Tin. She smiles. It's still gonna find it as Tina. All right.
See? Oh, fun. Okay, now what happened?
I'm supposed to see your face. Okay.
Oh, here,
I've
let's see
trained
it.
Tin.
Let's see
So
it.
yes, see, that's Bharati there, and it finds out Bharati perfectly.
So cool.
Yes.
Very
So
neat.
yes, so that's something we're working on right now.
And then who would use it?
We are willing to sell it to enterprise people right now. So say you have a clothing store or a Uber or something, we are ready to integrate this with enterprise applications. Other people who are interested in technologies like this.
Fantastic. Well, very good to meet you guys.
Nice meeting you, Tina, and
Nice
bye bye.
to meet you. Well, you know my number. I gave you my information.
Yes, sure.
Oh my God. We're gonna go check out
You want
the
to learn
rest of
something more
the
about an application or something?
whole thing.
want to know how it works. Yeah. I have two-factor authentication.
You have all my cards.
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna give a card. This is what happens in expo halls, everyone. It's crazy.
Okay, do we have?
They're giving demos over there. It's super loud. But fun.
Okay.
This is a really big complex. Hi guys. Thank you. See you guys later.
Yeah, fingerprint here on top of every.
Some sort of demos over there. Interesting to do.
Sure. So, interesting
Next week,
presentations. What's the
startup gets to come and present what they're doing.
we have
Very interesting. And here we go. Now, say hi to Peter again. Here he is with the Comptia. But we already have something for him. That's some interviewing. Hello.
So you guys are
Hey
in,
Peter. Say hi again.
Just a cue.
I'll see you later. Off we go. We actually interviewed Peter, so we'll learn what he's doing soon. All kinds of gadgets here. He actually said sense gears is really interesting.
Are you from Maharashtra by chance?
We'll have to go and grab their card and learn more. Hello. And then kind of keep walking. So many people there. Let's go. Internet of Things book by Timothy Chu. Tempo IQ. I heard was also really cool.
I'm definitely gonna go ahead and take a shower.
I am live. Even better. I'll just grab one of these. I'm here to hear about you guys. What do you guys work up to? Guys,
sorry?
Would you like to explain what your
Yeah, all right. Am I being filmed right now?
You are. Sorry, putting you on the spot. No pressure.
Yeah, right.
Magic is happening.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna reach out.
There's Scout.io. We just interviewed them as well. Very interesting technology. Headquarters Ashford Tech. Hi, I'm Tina Bear.
Hi, who are you with?
Follow the coin.
Follow the coin. All right.
And then we're covering all the coolest things. And Peter Mullen over there from Acomplio,
Okay.
he told us that you guys are working on something really interesting.
Yeah, so I mean, Tempo IQ are an IoT platform, which I don't know if you're looking at the camera at this point.
Yeah, look at the
We're
camera.
an IoT platform. Yeah, I don't know how really interesting we are relative to everybody else. We digest data, or ingest data rather. We make dumb data smart and create some predictive analytics off of it. So the predictive analytics that we try to create for our customers, depending on the use case, is the goal is to save them money, make them money, depending on the type of clients. We typically work with industrial clients, so anything from renewable energy to manufacturing. I think Wilson is probably one of our best known clients. They created essentially a smart basketball. It has a sensor in here that they decided to put in a little while ago. And this sensor spits out all kinds of data, right?
How fast it's going.
How fast it's going, whether you made a shot, whether you didn't make a shot. Well, actually, whether you made a shot or didn't make a shot is what, from the data, we're able to extrapolate, right? And Wilson's able to create their own dashboard to use that information. They created a game with it. Again, this is one of the probably more fun, easy to understand use cases. But a lot of our clients are industrials, again, energy, renewable energy, solar panels, getting a lot of different information from them. Yep.
You must be having a field day with,
There's getting a lot of interest for the basketball. A lot of interest in the basketball. It doesn't take much.
Well, ways to make data more useful for everybody else.
I'm sorry?
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I hope.
You go to have a basketball with the tall guy.
I know you needed basketball so we could see the demo working.
Maybe.
This is only for basketball?
No, not at all.
Hi, sir.
You know,
Hi, sir. And off we go. Where it all began. Hi again, guys.
Hey, what's up?
We're live now.
Oh, are we live?
Yeah. Well, quick demo, I guess.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
We already
Why not?
interviewed you guys, but
Of course.
this is so cool.
Thank you.
Yeah, you just basically look through the screen.
Yeah, so this is
You can talk about it. Yeah, tell us.
so this is a portable head-up display unit, iScout. What it does is it connects your phone and vehicle, and it displays all the information you need as a transparent virtual image. For example, if I put my hand in front, you can still see my hand, so it's not blocking your view. On top of that, we're trying to basically make your car a bit more smarter. So, for example, let's say you're running low on gas, for example, it's able to detect that, and it's able to then find out more information on nearby gas stations. So it's able to reroute you to the nearest gas station accordingly. We have also integrated two side cameras on this, which shows your blind spot view. So what happens is when you click on your indicator, for example, you'll be able to see what's happening on your blind spot.
Look at that. That's our blind spot off there. Left, guys.
Cool, right?
Hi again.
So yeah, and then because it's connected to your phone, it's able to get information such as your incoming calls, WhatsApp text messages, Facebook notifications, and it also gives you the power to disable any of those features if you don't want to have those notifications while you're driving.
Yeah.
So if you don't want incoming calls, you can disable that feature, you won't get incoming calls anymore. Incoming calls, you can accept and reject using simple hand gesture controls, swipe left, right, up, down.
I tried that feature, it was really fun.
Exactly. And you can even talk to the device and tell it what you want. If you wanted to decline, you can say decline. You want to accept, you can say accept. And it's a machine learning device, so if, let's say it's not able to understand your accent, for example, if you give it some time, once it understands what you're trying to say, it's able to pick it up immediately.
Very cool. Thank
Alright,
you.
thank you.
When you're going to do a Kickstarter?
So we are launching on Kickstarter on the 23rd of May.
23rd of May, everyone.
And these are the features that we have. Basically, we have the Ray model over here and the Platinum model over here.
Oh, wow.
The difference is in the aesthetics, the two concepts. However, each concept has a premium version and a basic version. The difference between the premium version and the basic version is just the blind spot cameras. That's it.
Very cool.
Thank you. The premium version is going for $300 US and the basic one is going for $270.
Nice. Well, we'll see you again.
Cheers, thank you.
We're doing one quick run through. What do you think of the conference?
It was really cool actually. I met a lot of interesting people, a lot of people who could actually help us out in the future as well in terms of marketing and promoting products. So,
Yeah, we're going to be in touch.
cheers, thank you.
Love you, Nikhil.
Thank you, really appreciate it, thank you.
Bye. Oh, here's my video equipment. I guess we should take that home. Alright? There's more to look at. We'll do a quick breeze through and be on our way. It's a very interesting conference. I'll take this whole thing. Here we go. And we're going. This conference is massive. Look at all these other companies that are also debuting what they've been working on. And then that's just the startup hall, actually. Just this tiny little pod. There's so much more. One whole wall of more startups doing things, demoing their products from the Wearable IoT World Labs. Those are cute. They look like toys. Probably not toys. Brush, powder. I think Scully is actually over here. We should go say hi to Scully. Oh, say hi to Scully. It's a lot quieter out here. It's a little loud in there. I don't know what Perch is doing. They have Easter eggs. There's Scully. Going to just place this and start putting. People giving demos. Yes.
Can I interrupt you a second?
Sure.
Did you talk to each one of these startups and you recorded them?
Not each one of them.
Oh,
some of them.
Okay, that's great. That's fantastic.
Hi, who are you? We're live right now, actually.
Oh, you are? Oh,
Yes.
I'm sorry. My name is Srini. I'm actually going to start an industrial IoT firm. And I wanted to see if you could share what you have captured so I can use it as a filter as I'm going about starting.
Well, as a lot of interesting technologies, there's actually a Complio. They're actually a concept to complete execution
Yeah,
firm.
Right.
And they're amazing. Peter Mullen, he's a friend, so you could go talk to him.
Okay.
Over there was
Is there a place where I can see a list of all the
I have
startups
no
and what they do?
idea, actually. You might have to ask somebody else about that is running the conference.
Got it.
There's an registration booth that we're going to
Okay.
walk out
Maybe
to if you want to come along.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Sure, go ahead.
We're going to also swing
But
by
I'd like
the
to
Sony
kind of-
booth because I have to ask them. But registration booth is up and to the left, and then they will actually probably
They
be able
probably have
to
a list
have a
of all the
list.
company names.
I know, a list would be very handful. I think there's an app as well.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Which would be even
That's
more
what
useful.
I was looking- I thought you are the one who's actually going about talking
Oh
to
no,
this company.
sadly, no. I don't know all of them. There's so many. It was overwhelming.
I know.
Overwhelming.
Very nice meeting you.
Very nice to meet you. Bye. Hello. Oh yes, my badge. There you go. Look, it's a giant android. Everybody see the giant green android? Thank you. See, this is the expo hall. Intensely big. So I think this is the wing all about the future of connected cars and vehicles, which is pretty neat. He was so nice. I wish I knew all of the sort of things. It's actually been a zoo to even find, Ramanath is asking me to find booth number 116. I'm going to try to. It's such a zoo in here. It's kind of hard. Apps World. Some sort of demo is happening.
It's like you got your hands full.
I do. You want to comment, right? So helpful.
They have a lot more cash than I have. So they probably have
What is he talking about?
in my life. And I had to deliver an application, and I had to make a new version at that point. And I was talking to my girlfriend at that time, and we were planning our wedding. And she said, "Okay, how long do you think this is going to take? Because I want to have
And
this
what's happening? Sony booth.
It's not my fault. She
Easy,
believed
Ramana.
a developer.
All these.
Yes.
Booth number. TomTom Maps. I wonder how many people are using TomTom. It'd be interesting to see how they innovate with connected cars. Look at that, there's an entire car being demoed. TomTom on go. Hi there.
Hello.
What's being demoed?
Do you record it?
Yes.
Okay, then my colleague
We're
Tom
live.
would be... Really?
Yeah. Say hi. Shock everybody. Hi. Hi there, I'm Tina.
Hi, Tina.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Ben. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Ben. And oh, what's with the car? Tell us what's going on here.
So this is, we're part of Bosch. We're the #1 supplier in the automotive space in general. And for Jaguar Land Rovers, we're providing them the infotainment, the smartphone integration product. So as you're driving one of these really cool cars, what happens if you plug in your phone, then the apps on your phone that are MySpin compatible, MySpin is the product, that are compatible with the platform, they would show up in the head unit of the car. Let me show you.
Oop, here we go. We're going in the car. Thanks, Ben. Let's see. I'm gonna place this down there. Kind of clunky. That wasn't me. It wasn't me. It was probably these guys.
Yeah. So as soon as I plug in the phone, okay, it's restarting the phone right now. But
this is a nice car.
it is. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. Yeah. So okay. I'm just restarting, waiting until my phone comes up. But yeah, so if I plug in my phone, what happens is that let's do that. Let's try. Oh, it's okay. It's coming up now.
Demos. They're always finicky when you actually want them to be doing something.
Well, it's just restarting for some reason the phone. But okay, see. Now I plug in my phone, and it pops up. Now in the apps that are MySpin compatible, they would pop up here. In the car. So essentially what I can do is that I can continue using my apps in the car as if I was using them in the phone. Since we're doing it in the car.
That was me.
Yeah, that was you.
I don't understand. What is making that noise?
So it's
the door handle?
Yeah, the door handle. So yeah, so I can just continue using the apps as if I was using them while commuting. Yeah, so it looks cool, it looks beautiful in the car, and it used to be more about, oh, let's bring existing experience, what you have in the apps, let's bring it into the car. Now we're about to create new user experiences. For example, 2 weeks ago, Jaguar Land Rover, they announced partnership with Tile. It's a little Bluetooth fob, what you attach to your keys so you wouldn't lose them. And with Tile, the use case is in the morning you're about to take off, and we know that you're going to the office in the morning, but you don't have your laptop bag with you. So are you sure you want to take off without your laptop?
Oh,
so
nice.
we would just pop it up. Oh, I think you forgot your laptop. Or in the evening, we know that you're going to the gym. Are you sure you didn't forget your gym bag? So it's more about really emerging two worlds that is out there, which isn't in the car, and what is the meaningful use case in the car to delight? Because these are premium cars, so the drivers have very high expectations.
Right. Obviously, the Jaguar retails for I don't know how much, like 80,000 at least on the low end.
Yeah, the low end, I think it starts. Yeah, you can say that it starts around
something
there.
around there,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
I don't think it starts at 40,000 or 20. So that one wasn't me. That was him.
Yeah, that's the lock.
It keeps feeling like
the key is inside. So if I would have the key with me, if I would press that, it would lock the car. But since the key is inside the car, it doesn't let the lock. So it's making the sound that you forgot the key.
So what are your favorite apps from the Spin, I guess, ecosystem?
So the ecosystem, I think if you're thinking about right now, if you're thinking about what makes sense in the car, there are three things: navigation, there's music, and there's news. So one of my favorites, of course, is Newsbeat, which gives you, it's a startup here in Palo Alto, and they give you 30-second news bites, so you get very fast up to speed whatever was happening throughout the day.
Amazing.
And so you get very quickly, and it looks really good. The other, my favorite is, let's see if it's on that phone, I'm not sure, is Choosic. And it's a startup out of London, and they give you very personalized music recommendations. So it's really based on your past, what you've listened to. So they curate their playlist, and so you get like very cool music. So yeah.
It's also a discovery.
It's a discovery.
Sort of like Pandora.
Pandora, but I think that the way they do it is that they work a lot on picking from Choosic is really, I really like that. And the lastly, but not leastly, it's there's also AccuWeather for weather data. You know, with this car, you want to know when it starts to rain.
Oh yeah, put the top back on. Good point. I'm like, weather is important. Plus, if it's snowing, I probably don't want to be driving this car.
Yes. So yeah.
Very
That's
cool.
it. Yep.
Thank you for
You're
the
welcome.
demos. And then Spin, right?
My Spin, yeah.
My Spin.
My
And
Spin.
that's something that's going to be integrated. You can't just buy it and plug and play.
Yeah, so right now, since we're working with all the automotive companies, in Jaguar Land Rover, the feature is called In Control Apps. MySpin is a product name for Bosch, and we're selling it to other car manufacturers as well.
So what do you think of this conference, and what do you think of the future of connected cars?
Future of the connected car, I wouldn't be working in this space if it wasn't so exciting. The conference is fun. It's been for us. I've been mainly manning the booth here, so but it's been very good for traffic and really interesting conversations. Really interesting use cases for future as well with people who are just visiting it. So.
Oh, I think so too. I think, well, especially you guys are well positioned even with the self-driving cars.
Yeah.
I've been having some interesting conversations as well. So
I bet.
Fascinating.
Yeah, I bet.
What else are you working on?
Can we sign an NDA with everybody?
They're not signing it, so it's not my fault. It's all out there now.
Yeah, that's funny.
Well, very nice meeting you.
Yeah, likewise.
Thank you
Thanks
again.
for stopping by.
Let me get you a card. How cool is that, guys? Future of cars.
All right, thank you.
I almost want to sit in it, but, well, don't want to go through it.
Yeah.
We're going to do a quick...
Really.
Nobody knows.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll keep going.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Here we go. We're up again. Thanks again.
Thank
Bye,
you.
guys.
Bye.
Great booth. A car. So they've got Gaming World. There's a big banner for the future of connected cars. You can sit down on a grass chair. It's a grass chair. Really? Is this comfy? It's kind of itchy. I don't want to sit on that. Right? We're like, why?
I want to sit there, but I'm like,
Why would anybody make a chair like not comfortable at all? Oh, this is an iPhone case.
What's it called?
It's just an iPhone.
So that's nothing.
No, this is nothing. It's just a case.
Funny. Oh
I
my
know.
god.
But it's okay because now everyone's like, oh, you're recording.
Right?
It's pretty obvious.
Yeah, they straighten up.
Right?
And when you leave, then they go back to normal.
Right.
Come on, you got me on YouTube.
It is happening. You're already live on Facebook right now.
Oh my gosh.
Say hi.
Hi.
Here you go. Local analytics, mobile engagement crisis. Oh, interesting. Solve mobile's biggest challenges. Okay, we're just gonna breeze through because, you know, it's been fun. But there's so much to see.
But Android is clearly winning, so yeah, crazy.
Apparently Android is clearly winning. According to that. Hi.
Hi.
What is this?
Check it out.
Candy Lab. Marketers, agencies, and brands.
Augmented reality.
Using Candy Bar. Augmented reality.
Yeah, that's right.
Would you like to tell us more about that?
Sure. Candy Bar delivers content to the mobile phone by location using augmented reality.
How?
We kick the camera screen on your phone, and we have a graphical overlay at very specific locations that you're able to then touch on the screen of your phone. You touch that asset, and then it delivers content. That's your click through.
Ah, okay. So you could actually buy things right away.
Sure.
Without leaving.
No, you're always there. You're actually on location. So it's great for like marketing.
Very fascinating.
Right? We
I
serve
see
up
it.
content at specific locations of
Like the mall.
your choosing. Right, the mall. Sure, the mall. And we do this in a better way instead of SMS, like location texting, which is garbage. More of an experience. We tell the story through visualization.
Very smart. This is the future. Just like Mission Impossible.
Yeah, that's right.
Right? You walk around. And they're like, wait, you're here right now. Are you sure you want those shoes? And you're like, no, don't remind me that I want those shoes.
Yeah.
Where's the indicator that says, this is how much money you have budgeted for shopping strenuously? Impulse shopper.
Yes. I love this. What are you...
This is actually just an iPhone case.
Yeah, but like you're
I'm
just...
just
Who are you
live
filming
streaming
for?
Facebook
Oh, gotcha.
Live for
Cool.
Follow the Coin.
Cool.
So you gotta go check it out. I'll give you a card.
Okay.
Candy Lab tweets. I know I am holding a lot. Actually, that'd be really funny if you want to hold it real quick to see what I'm dealing with here.
Everybody
This is my
check
mobile
it out.
office right
Here we
now.
go.
It's hilarious. All right. Okay. Here's a card. love to connect. Really interesting technology. Let's do it. Oh, companies I should talk to.
Oh yeah?
Hey, Brent Murray. These are interesting people.
Whoa, what is that?
It's actually an iPhone case.
Does
It
really
throws
take the
everybody
picture?
off. It's
Does it
really
really take pictures there though?
Well, you could actually hit this and take a picture, yeah. Because of the functionality.
I like it. But it's not focused or anything like that?
No,
That's
but these are like touchy little buttons that work. So, well, for my mom, everyone who's watching, got
Mom.
me. Hi, Mom.
What's up, Mom?
Mom's probably watching.
Call me.
Mom, he wants you to call him. His name is Andrew Kirkland.
Here's his number. Text him now, Mom.
That just happened. But yeah, basically everybody thinks it's a real phone. So it's a camera.
That's cool.
Hilarious.
That's
But
sweet.
good job, Mom. Everyone's asking about it. She's like, I should buy more and sell them. Thanks, guys.
Customer of ours. So
Yeah, I'm totally going to connect you guys. 100%. Will do. I'm going to steal one of these too. I mean, actual candy. Yay. Okay, I'll steal two. Thank you. Oh dear. I dropped one. Bye.
It's just an amazing place. So there's something for everyone.
See, this is a pretty intense conference. I guess it's time to make our way out. A bit late in the day. Theoretically, the conference is over now, but people are still here. Ending in a few hours today. A giant Android. I almost want a picture with it. They also have a stage. There's stages everywhere.
Macvaar Isa, co-founder and CEO of Abbey, is going to be talking about the holy grail of app engagement. Something I'm sure is interest to everyone in the room. Thank you.
It was just pretty funny. Somebody was touching the Android's bottom. I really want a photo with it. Sony booth. Arctic? I don't think there is a Sony booth. I mean, if there was one, it'd be one of the big ones, and I don't see it. There's a race car here. Or not a race car. I'm just kidding. I don't know what that is. It is a... It's a car. It is a race car. Okay, I don't know what the Sony booth is. I give up. There's a bar in the middle. It's really nice. If I find the Sony booth, I will tune back in. Here's another stage. Hi. I just realized you were waving at me. I'm like, he's just waving at someone. Nope, me. Hello.
Looks like you're walking around filming. So.
I am filming. We are live. Hello.
Oh, yeah.
What's
Hey.
your name?
Kevin.
Hi, Kevin. What is that?
iPad on steroids.
No kidding.
I know. It's ridiculous, right?
That's huge.
I know. It looks like as a phone though. It's kind of my phone.
You
though.
use this as a phone? Can
And it's
I
a blocker,
please
too.
video
So
you
look,
doing that?
So I talk and it blocks me from people too.
That's massive. That's an iPad though.
Yeah, that's an iPad.
Wow.
You can talk on it, funny enough.
It's really heavy, right?
No, actually.
Oh wow.
It's the same, when the first one came out, it's the same weight as the first one.
What's more useful, that or that with the keyboard? You need a keyboard.
Well, I use it like an iPad. Some people try to use it as a computer, but I use it for presentation.
Favorite app?
It's my favorite app. Say TTT.
What is that?
You haven't heard of it? You want me to tell you about it?
Yes, please tell us about it. Is that why you're here?
That's why I'm here. You want to talk about Say TTT?
Sure. And what do you think of this conference?
It's good. It's good. It's good. I like that they combined it all in one instead of upstairs, downstairs versus last year.
Good point.
So the Say TTT app allows you to record 3 messages. And so we can record any message we like. So like a realtor, and let's give a realtor example, might make a recording about a place they're selling. So they might say, welcome to 2121 XYZ Street. This 3,000 square foot home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and continue to talk about it. And so they record that message. They go to play. They hit play message 1 for every, they might say 40 seconds, 45 seconds, and for a duration of time. So they can time out to like 75 minutes. Maybe they're doing that for their open house. They hit play. And it's meant to be played on a Bluetooth speaker. So any Bluetooth speaker you have, and it will just play that message with a gap of time.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, so this is kind of like an automated marketing tool.
Exactly, and great for trade shows. So we've been talking to people here about using it for trade shows, actually.
I'm just laughing because I've totally been on the, obviously I've been in the booth, and you're just like at a certain point, it would be hilarious. What's it about? Here.
Yeah,
just listen
exactly.
to this.
Here it is. Get close to this speaker.
You're not close enough.
Yeah.
Oh, I just hit you in the head with the phone.
That's what it's all about.
Could be an giant app. Where would you play that from? A phone, right?
You play it from your phone. So you just put your, lock your phone. It plays in the background, and you're good.
You guys got to make like little tiny Android plushies or plushies, and then be like, here, listen to this, and they just take it with them. Be like, what is this? What, or
I know, guys.
Go around
everybody
collecting
wanted
things.
wanted me to have a Bluetooth speaker. So be like, I want to try it right now. I came to learn about other things, so I was, but in between I'm telling people about it.
So what are the more interesting things you've learned about here?
More interesting things.
That someone can raise a lot of money and have a really horrible idea.
I know.
It seems like people are raising money with bad ideas. It's
interesting.
Yeah, but there's a few, but there's some really good ones over there too. Like
No, I hear you. There's been some interesting companies who are like, oh.
Yeah. They're like, you got money for that? I mean, good for you. But,
Okay. Yeah, it's kind of interesting.
Yeah.
For your investors.
Real talk, everyone. See? Told
Real
you.
talk.
You can
Real
get
talk.
everything when you're live streaming.
What are we on?
Facebook Live.
Facebook Live.
Follow the Coin is the name of the company.
All right.
What are you with the same company? Cool technology though. It'd be really neat to see how you guys innovate it, since it's really annoying when you go to conferences or networking events and you're like, what do you do? And you're like, oh, not again, here.
Yeah, that's what it's all about. Anytime you have to say it more than once, just record it and let it.
So have you ever played it for somebody, and what was their reaction, positive or negative?
It's been really good here, actually. Yeah, it's been really good.
Nobody's offended that you're like, hold on, here.
Oh, when we're using it? You're talking about when we use it? Oh, no. After a period of time, depending on the space, I mean, after a period of time, if you play it for like 45 minutes or something, somebody will go, hey,
cut it out. Please change it. I get it now.
Yeah.
Shut up.
There was people offended once when I used it for a speed dating session.
What?
And I kept just, we were speed dating. I would just sit there and the app would speak for me.
Amazing!
Yeah,
I love that you
great.
just said that. I use this for speaking.
And I'm like, and I would just, are you interested? Wink once for yes, 2 for no.
What are you doing the whole time that it's playing?
Just looking off in space.
We're over here just, are you serious? This is hilarious. I love that. That's what you did. Okay. We better give this a try. Set up the speaking thing. See how that response is. There's no engagement. Absolutely no chemistry is being exchanged.
No feelings are hurt.
So lazy. You don't even want to talk about it.
It's all body language.
Body language.
All body language.
You're like, you're cool. Hilarious. That's the funniest thing I've actually encountered all day.
Then I felt like an asshole because one of my speed daters, she was deaf. So she was trying to like sign me that she was deaf, and the app just keeps talking and talking. She's like, can't hear you, can't understand, you need to write stuff down.
Wow.
And then I just felt like an ass, and I just left. And I didn't get any dates actually.
So there's a learning here. I'm just kind of talking.
Whoever's
here on this end. Amazing, very funny.
Very
right?
funny.
Very funny.
It's awesome.
We're like, this guy.
That's what we're learning here at the app convention here, Apps World.
Probably that you shouldn't speed date, and then like not.
Yeah, and don't use TTT for speed dating, not recommended. But for anything else you want to say more than once, say TTT.
I mean,
There it is.
Where would you say it?
Put it, turn around. You gotta.
Where would? Whoops, there it goes.
Oh yeah, I don't want to get it.
I like to say, only say it once. I'm just hilarious. So is it?
iPhone right now, soon to be Android.
Very cool.
$1.99.
TTT, $1.
Yeah.
I'm gonna figure out where I could use this without getting yelled at.
Yeah.
Stop it here. That's obnoxious.
This is testing. We're testing this, but we've tried it with like recording your voice. You put a Bluetooth speaker in another room. You leave, and if you have a dog, it's for dogs.
Oh, do they like it?
And it plays in the background. Your dog kind of thinks you're there. It kind of fools it. You know what I mean? So it calms them down. They don't get mad. Yeah.
My
Get it
dog
and test it.
has separation anxiety.
Let us know.
Okay, I'll let you know. I'm like, he's still barking.
Yeah,
you
they
lied
get
to
that-
me. It
they
doesn't
howl.
work.
They like we tried it on a couple dogs and it worked, and so it was interesting. So it's not scientific quite yet, but
We'll go
try
check it out.
Yeah.
Promise to do it,
Yeah.
and I'll let you know. And then I'm actually gonna get a drink. Here's some parched now. I've been doing this for 40 minutes. So you guys, I don't know where the Sony booth is. I've looked around.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh wow, thanks. Hey, we're getting a drink.
Live.
Live. I got to sit in a Jaguar, or didn't sit in it either.
You sat in the Jaguar?
I didn't. They demoed what.
Cash bar right now.
Okay.
Turns out I have cash.
Shall we see back?
She's keen. Isn't that funny?
Cash bar. Can't even do fin payments.
Yeah. No Venmo here.
No Venmo.
It's real
Right,
money.
bye guys. We'll see you later. Thanks for tuning in.